club like, what up, it's me and Lindsay Style. I'm so pumped about some swag from the thrift shop. Ice on the fringe, it's so frosty. The people like, whoa, that's a cold TT. Rolling deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressing all pink, set my gator shoes, those are green. Draped in a leopard mink, girl standing next to me. Probably should've washed this, smells like R. Kelly sheets. But wait, it was 99 cents. Copping and washing, about to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins, someone else has been walking and brought me a grungy effing man. I ain't starting to Boston and saving my money, and I'm really happy that's a bargain. I'ma take your grandpa style. Not for real, I'ma take his style. Velour jumpsuit and some mouse slippers, Dookie brown leather jacket that I found digging. They had a broken keyboard, so I bought that broken keyboard. I bought some blankets and a mouse as a reward. To say hello, and to take a photo. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my French game, no. I can take the pro wings, make them cool, sell out. The sneakerheads be like, he got the Velcro. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a come up, this is something I saw. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. Looking for a come up, this is something I saw. What you know about rockin' a wolf on your noggin? What you know about wearing a fur fox skin? I'm digging, searching right through that luggage while another man's trash is another man's come up. Thank you, granddad, for donating that plaid button up shirt, cause right now I'm up here and I wanna flirt. I'm at the Google, you can find me in the on sale. I'm that sucker searching in that section. Your granny, your auntie, your mama, your mammy. I take those flannel zebra jammies second and I rock that even better. The built-in onesies with the socks on that even better. I hit the party and they never stop, even better. They be like, oh, that Gucci, that's so tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt, that's just some ignorant business. I call that getting swindled and tricked. I call that getting swindled by the business. And that shit's really dope. Ain't ever the same one as 6 other people in the club is a no-no. Beat the game, come and take a look through my telescope. Trying to get the girls from my brand and you really won't. You really won't. You really won't. I look incredible. I'm in this big old coat from that thrift store down the road. I wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this big old coat from the thrift store down the road.
Nabehnem na ten track, len aby som prizabil beat. Harmoniku, ktorú pripravil Vič. Nevieš, čo sa deje, jebem do toho farby jak výtvarníci. Si mrdaný, ako keby máš práve dick v palici. Bol som predurčený prísem písať rímy, zničiť MC priamo z budúcnosti. Každý večer 33 pív, píšeš 33 dní a noci jediný rím. Ja som na majku fresh, ak buchteli za Diddy. V klube na hajzli chcem zarobiť čipsy jak Diddy. Boom, digi, bang, bang, plujem dynamity. Vypalnici na majku, radikálo, staffy, Delix, Vič na byte, bros, horia ti vlasy. Ja som torty, siloky, ja mám flow, ja mám smoky, ty máš sračku už 3 roky, plus smrdia ti nohy. Plujem oheň, ak keby mi rastú rohy. Ženské omdlievajú pri pohľade do mojich očí. Rád sa odfotím, homie, buch tam dám podpis na kozy. Odriznem hlavu netopierovi na stage jak Ozzy. Tvoja kariéra má trvanlivosť a kvapky rosy. Behám po žeravých uhlíkoch bossy. Ja som budúcnosť. Prerebak, že Amerika ovládne svet. Potom niekto stlačí gombík a svet vyznie preč. Dovtedy budem robiť hymny v mojom pohári Jack. OK, stačilo ste fake a wack jak Moneyboy.
Radikál, Delik, Tafrop, DJ Vič. Blanty a texty, brácho, silnej beat. Taliban, benzín, áno, přísnej shit. Klasika, nestíháš to, přidej plyn. Áno, píšem hit, áno, líp než ty. A přitom sereme na slávu víc než ty. Ty hoříme jako pochodeň, tvoje plány končí většinou u piva v hospodě. My jsme budoucnost jak iTunes, jako další Starbucks na Marsu. My jsme budoucnost jak Tyler, v ruce s Mikem, nesmrtelní jako Nike Air. My jsme budoucnost jak Čína, budoucnost jak vymírání zvířat jak víra. Něco jako CML, něco jako jistota, že všichni zemřeme. Technika, jakou tady má málo kdo. Charisma a koule jako Belmondo. Většina raperů stojí za hovno. Nejsou vidět, slyšet, prostě nejsou hot. Mají 200 fans a na piču swag. Mají vše, co jen chceš, jenom kvalitu ne. Neskoušej nás zastavit. Záříme jak hvězdy tam vysoko nad mraky.
Radikál, Tafrop, Delik, DJ Witch. Kvalita, hardcore, zenit, čiže krič. Keď prichádzame do klubu, prinášame top hudbu. Vytlačame pod zludu, vyháňame von nudu. Konkuruj koľko chceš, aj tak zlyháš. Roztrubuj to čo chceš, strácaš tým čas. Šok, kataklizma, počiatok, budúcnosť. Netuží byť naj, aj tak mám krutú show. Luxus, job, new school flow, nie som prúsku bro. Nestojím v roku 90 ako Rumunsko, wow. Čivali štekajú iba cez ploty. Zblízka hryz nebudú, lebo sa boja bez snoty. Hej, sypem, ale krásne rímy. Typek, new school rap, žiaden limit. U mne hejtuj z netu a nikto ti príliš nejde. Sám sebe som najväčší hejter, ty hejtuješ biedne, baby. Sme budúcnosť ako v Európe, islam, ako atentát na pizza, LeBron James na Wiz. hazard ako Real a Neymar a predčasný pad eura ako trečiacky hrad svietia z neba naše mená, takže jebať sráčov a vankušové bitky. Nepáčim sa ti tak čo, tak už more vypni. Veľa ľudí za mnou, bratranci sú prišli, ideme tvrdo svoje, nasrati na beefy.
To je budúcnosť.
Telik, Radikál,
Tough Rob. My jsme
Budúcnosť. Budúcnosť.
Yes, ma'am. I'm at the park. I'll be home shortly. Love you.
Alright, on an ordinary day. I was out there on my way. Taking a shortcut back home cause I'm kinda running late. When the situation came, it was right there in my face. You're the type that'll stop you in your tracks and make you wanna do a double take. Now it's me, myself, and I in an internal debate. Should I stay and live for the moment and not participate? I think I know what I should do when I'm curious enough. Now I don't wanna stay. I mean, what's the point of living if it's just feel all great at the end of the day? So I say,
this is all they all do. Easily can walk away, but it feels like when I'm done, the things on me. I knew this was trouble when I walked by, but it's almost said and done. Like now or never's what it feels like, and it just can't be undone. This here is gonna change my life, but I can't quite come to terms with what's right here in front of my eyes. 'Cause I'm having such a real good time. Oh, trouble, trouble, trouble. Oh, trouble, trouble, trouble.
with a talent I can't say, but it finally cut bait. Yo, my shit truck back home cause I know I'm past my grace. And I gotta pick up a way, you never mind to say face. I'm out here running my tail off, trying to get ahead and pick up the pace. I was making real good time, was taken by surprise. How could it be that a moment like this would appear right here right in front of my eyes? And it might just be a sign, maybe I could just stop by. I mean, what's the point of living and shit all great every day, all the time? And so
This is all they all do. Easily can walk away, but it feels like when I'm done, the things on me. I knew this was trouble when I walked by, but it's all